guys, so we made it here in Tagaytay and I am with my parents for a staycation. And we are staying here at Belize Bed and Breakfast. And we'll just be staying here overnight. And ayun, tara mag-quick room tour tayo before kami mag super late lunch. So guys, ayun, we booked a double room and this is good for 3 persons. Pero, dalawa lang yung breakfast. So ayun, if the third person wants to avail, pwede naman daw mag-order. And ayan, medyo spacious yung room. And ayan, ang gulo na, sorry. Andyan yung mga gamit namin. And meron tayong balcony here, pero walang view. Ayan ang view natin, guys. Medyo maingay yung AC, sorry. Ayan. And here's the bathroom, guys. Meron tayong plenty of towels. And ayan, may bathtub. May bidet naman yung toilet natin. And we have a faucet here with a guest kit na hindi ko alam kung ano yung parang toothbrush lang siguro. So bring your own toiletries na lang if ever. would just like to say na okay naman yung experience ko dun sa Tom and Tom's na new branch. Except that ang tagal ng waiting time sa pagpila, pag-order, and pag-wait nung sa in-order nyo. Pero ang sarap ng Spanish latte nila na merong hints of chocolate, orange, and cinnamon. Kakaiba siya. First time ko nakatry ng ganun. And tomorrow, hopefully, marami pa tayong matry na cafes. But for now, good night and I will see you tomorrow. Good morning guys. So ayun, nakapag-breakfast ng parentals dahil good for 2 lang yung breakfast dito. Kahit 3 kami sa room. And ako magko-coffee and breakfast na ako outside and samahan na lang nila ako. So let's go. So ayun guys, we are about to check out na from Belize Tagaytay Bed and Breakfast. And ayun, ang ganda ng Starbucks nga pala na dinaanan natin dun sa Nasugbu Highway. Medyo maingay lang because it's very touristy din, pero ang ganda ng view and ang ganda ng space, ang ganda ng interiors. So ayun, I highly recommend na i-try nyo siya, pero on a weekday and very early para hindi kayo abutan ng super crowded na na store kasi nagkakaroon din ng pila dun like Starbucks Hiraya. So ayun. And overall, we had a good stay din naman dito. And ang issue ko lang talaga is yung wifi nila na hindi nakakaabot sa room and minsan pati yung data. So ayun lang naman.